Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with AWeber. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send form submissions directly into your AWeber email list, eliminating manual data entry and ensuring every lead is captured instantly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the form you want to integrate with AWeber. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a view of all the forms you've created in your Jotform account. Now locate the specific form you want to connect to AWeber and click on it to open its options. You'll see an Edit Form button. Go ahead and click that to enter the form builder. This is where you'll access all the customization and integration settings for your form. Once you're inside the form builder, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This tab houses all the configuration options for your form, including integrations with third-party platforms like AWeber. From the left-hand menu that appears under Settings, select Integrations. This section is where Jotform allows you to connect your form with hundreds of different apps and services, streamlining your workflow and automating data transfers. In the Integrations area, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type AWeber into that search bar to quickly locate the integration. Once it appears in the results, click on the AWeber integration tile to open it up and begin the connection process. Next, you'll see an Authenticate button. Click that button to initiate the connection between Jotform and your AWeber account. This will open a new window or prompt where you'll need to log into your AWeber account if you're not already signed in. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Jotform to access your AWeber lists. This step is essential because it grants Jotform permission to send form data directly into AWeber. Once authentication is complete, you'll be brought back to the integration setup screen. Here you'll need to choose your target AWeber list from a drop-down menu. Select the specific email list where you want your form submissions to be sent. This ensures that every new submission is automatically added to the correct audience. After selecting your list, you'll have the opportunity to map your form fields. This step is crucial because it tells AWeber which information from your form corresponds to which field in your email list. For example, match your form's email field to AWeber's email field. You can also map additional fields like name, phone number, or custom fields if your form collects that data. Additionally, you have the option to add tags to your subscribers, which can help with segmentation and automation later on. Finally, once all your fields are mapped and your settings are configured, click Save or Complete Integration to finalize the setup. Your form is now fully integrated with AWeber, and any new submissions will automatically flow into your chosen email list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.